The river is receding down slowly but just surely. It's receding. It's receding. It's receding. This is called light right here. Still pretty intensely flooded here. Someone highlighted yesterday that it's still raining immensely heavily in Guatemala. Basla Falls Road up in the distance. This is the back route that I've learned via my neighbors. And I tried it today for the first time. I'm going into town. Evacuation route. That's the roaring Mopan down there. Life transitioning back to normal. With gestures of civility along the way. The Macal and the Mopan have collided deep on the Branchmouth Road. Over there is the Mopan, and over here to your right is the Macal Branchmouth. Underwater somewhat, but it's retreating. This is the Macal. Pretty spectacular place right here too, man. Magnificent place. When they reopen, come check them out. Stop by and say hi, hello, goodbye, and have a few stabilizers. A little lake at the sandpit. Getting back to the it's underwater. Macal. This is the Macal River that did that. This is the market. The fire department is out doing their thing, cleaning it up and bringing it back, so that we can get back to what we're used to. And that is the Macal down there. The bridge is underwater, by the way. That's the welcome center down there. Norman Brossa Stadium with all the signs. That's the Norman Brossa Stadium. It was underwater too. Manukau was underwater too. So once everything gets put back together, stop in and say hi. Rent a room for a night or a few days or the weekend. Manukau. Cabins, camping and tours. Check them out. They were underwater, by the way. Just stop in, rent a room or a cabin, as you can tell. Stop in at the library. Check out books. That's the Macal. It's receding. Oh, somebody car took a hit. There. That's the Macal. As you can tell and see that the bridge is still, the wooden bridge is still underwater. Future spot, come in, come by and check them out when they're open. More info will be provided. And they're cleaning and the water is still in certain places still here, but it's receding, the Macal. Gentlemen, have a good day. It's the Rootswerx Bridge right there. Rootswerx Bridge going to connecting San Ignacio and Santa Elena Town together, and that's the Macal River right there. Still barricaded. They're cleaning and getting it ready. What a gorgeous sky. Good morning. You would not believe it if I told you that it was raining immensely yesterday and the day before. Well, not so much yesterday, but on Friday of this past week. Just the way the sky looks right now. Downtown San Ignacio. Things are falling back into place, taking shape, and everything is coming together. So just come check it out, support all the local business that got hit with the flooding, like, you know, stop in the stores and restaurants in Rolling Creek. Come to San Ignacio and Santa Elena, Bullet Tree, Santa Familia, and all the different places along the way that got hit hard with the flooding. Socots, Benke, just stop in and say, hey, we all need a little boost right now. Ciao Bella.